So for our last gate, we have to combine and use 4 another gates. That means we need 4 breadboards. That's why we collaborate with another 3 teams. Thank them for this nice collaboration. And now I want to get started. Well, now we are looking at the XOR gate, the exclusive OR. It outputs 1 only when one input is high and the other is 0. The circuit can be built with a combination of transistors that first generate OR and AND signals, then use another transistor stage to invert and combine them. When both inputs are the same, both 0 or both 1, the output stays 0. But when the inputs differ, current paths activate in such a way that the output transistors switch on, producing a 1 output. This unique behavior makes the XOR gate useful for logic, comparison, and arithmetic circuits. Thank you.
Yandı.
Yes! Bak 1-0 işləyir. 0-1 yeni işləyir. İkisini basanda işləmir. Su. İkisini basanda işləmir, bu qədər.